Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have just installed WordPress on your brand new website, then there are few things you should do right away before adding content and designing your website. I'll walk you through them in this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here we are on our WordPress website, and the first thing we are going to do is change our site title and some other details. First, click on Appearance on the left hand side of our WordPress dashboard on Customize. As you can see, we have our default WordPress theme activated here, and currently there's default content on our page. Now click on Site Identity here on the left hand side, and we can change the site title and our tagline as well. For example, let's imagine that we have an interior design website called Interiors. I'm just going to write site title here. On the site title, you can go ahead and enter your business name or your brand name. And just below that, we have the tagline. So we can enter the tagline for a website. For example, we can write something like that reflects your style for now. Alright, now that we have our site title and tagline, the next thing we can do is add our logo. Click on Select Logo and we can proceed to upload the logo file. And what I can do is just drag and drop my logo right here. Now I'm going to press select and we can skip cropping as well. And there we go. And just below here, we can upload our site icon. And this is the icon that we see at the top of our tab. As here you can see that WordPress icon. We can replace that with one of our own. Click on select site icon here. And once again, I'm going to drag my site icon image and upload that here. And I'm going to press select here, and then I'm going to skip cropping once again, and now I'm going to go and press publish, and there we go, it's all published and ready to go. Now let's go back into WordPress dashboard, and the next thing you should do involves adjusting some general settings on our website. And to do that, let's go into settings right here and press general. Inside general, we also have the same options right here to adjust our site title and tagline. And we also have some options here that I want you to check out. For example, administration email address. Make sure this email address here is the one you want associated with your website. And down here, you can also set the site language, or you can select any of these languages right here in this drop down. And below that, you can also set the time zone for your website. I recommend you that you should set your time zone to the one that matches your business's local time zone. And you can drop this down and select any of these here that matches your time zone. Make sure you scroll down here and press Save Changes. So the next thing you should do is set up your permalinks. And for that, click on Permalinks under Settings. And right here you can already see permalinks. So basically, permalinks are your URL structure, and you want your URL structure to be easy to understand for anyone that visit your website as well as for search engines. So right here, things like P equals 123, these are not easy to understand just by looking at it. Other hand, if you have your post title in the URL itself, it's much easier to understand what that URL is for. So you can select any of these options here. But the last one here, custom structure, allow you to create a custom URL structure. You can do it very easily by clicking on any of these tags right here. Let's say you want to remove this. So what you can do is just click on them like this and create your own structure. For example, you want the category and then you can have the post name. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and press Save Changes. The next thing you should do is go into discussion right here. I'll be showing you how you can disable comments. So we click on discussion and that shows you a bunch of different settings related to the comment on your website. And if you want to disable comments on your website, you have to go and uncheck this option right here. Allow people to submit comments on new post. So if we uncheck that, all the posts you publish from now won't have an option to post any comment. We also have this one here. The person who fills in the comment must also fill out their name and email address. You can enable this here so that users have to be registered and logged in to leave a comment. And you have some more in-depth comment settings here as well. And down here you have option to get notified when anyone posts a comment or when a comment is being held for moderation. We also have the option to manually approve a comment. So if you check this, all comments must be manually approved before they are published live on your website. And down here we have comment moderation. So when a comment contains any of these words, content, author, name, URL, email, anything like that, the comment will be held for moderation. And just below that we also have disallowed comment keys. So down here, when a comment includes anything you specified in this box, that comment will be put into the trash. And once you're happy with all your comment settings, make sure you scroll down here and press Save Changes. And now what we can do is go ahead and install our WordPress theme. For that, go to Appearance right here and click on Themes. Choosing a WordPress theme is a very important part of building your WordPress website. The theme you choose can directly affect the performance of your website as well as all the additional features that you might get with it. Let's go into Add New, and over here we can see a bunch of different themes that we can add onto WordPress website. But the one I recommend is called Responsive Theme. So go to the search bar and type Responsive, and here is our theme. I'm going to press install here to install the responsive theme. It's a very lightweight and powerful theme that comes with a lot of different features and performance benefits. We are going to press activate here. Our theme is now activated and good to go. As you can see, once you have installed and activated the responsive theme, a pop-up will appear asking you to install and activate the responsive starter template. So all you need to do is click on the button and it will be installed and activated on your website. As you can see, here are different templates that you can use to build your website. You have many different options to choose from. So you can go ahead and select any you would like to. For example, for an influencer website, I'm going to select this template. Here I get two options, either to import the whole website or import the template. If I click here, I get the option to import the whole website, and if I just want few templates, all I have to do is click here, click on Import Impact Template, and you're done. The next thing we have to do after installing WordPress is we are going to remove all the existing posts and pages that we might not need for a WordPress website. So first, go to Appearance and click on Theme. We can remove the theme that we are no longer using. This one was installed by default and we no longer need that because we have the responsive theme now. So we can click on this here, and on the bottom right we have delete. So I'm going to press delete here, and we are also going to press OK. There we go. The only theme installed and activated on our WordPress website is the responsive theme. Now we're going to do the same with the post. Click on Post on the left hand side. As you can see right here, we have a default post. We can hover over and press trash right here, and if you want to empty it from this trash as well, we can go into trash, and here we can hover over the post once again and press delete permanently, and there we go. If you want to, you can go to pages as well and remove any page that you don't need right here. You can do the same thing by hovering over it and pressing trash. Or if you want to delete multiple pages in a row, you can select all of them by clicking that checkbox at the top, and we can go into bulk actions and we can press delete and click apply, and you're done. And these are the few things I recommend you should do after installing the WordPress. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.